So when should you use it? So you have specific advertising and conversion goals, and this is important and critical. You must have your conversion goals. So, for example, if you want to drive online leads or sales or any other specific goal you may have, you can set it up and optimize your PMax campaigns for that. You want to maximize the performance of your campaign. You aren't limited by which channel your ads appears on. So you're obviously running your ads across all the Google's channels. You want to easily access all of Google's advertising channels using a single campaign. Super simple, super easy. Anybody can run it. All you need are the creative assets. And you want to get additional reach and conversion value beyond keyword based search campaigns. So you're not only just running on search, you're going pretty much everywhere and at the same time building up your brand and brand awareness.